We're going to run a Bowie-Dick or dart test in our BioPro 600 series. For those that do not know what a Bowie-Dick or dart test is this is a steam heat penetration pack. You have the outer layer, which is folded up and sealed. This is the same material that they use for surgery. It's designed to be able to steam and heat to penetrate, but it's thin-skinned. It allows for it to come in. On the outside, you'll see this little yellow dot. That is our heat temperature indicator. It will let us know whether the pack achieved the 270 degrees necessary. On the inside of the pack, at the end of it, we're going to leave it closed up. This pack here has a special piece of paper on the inside which will indicate whether the steam has penetrated the pack and that it has indeed covered it completely on the inside. The reason this is so important is the Safe-Decon unit is an airtight, impermeable product here. We know that it achieved the 270 degrees. Our yellow spot is now black. So let's open it up, see what kind of steam penetration we were actually able to get. As most of you know, this test here is difficult enough just for an autoclave to go through and achieve. But when you put it inside of an airtight container such as a Safe-Decon unit, to be able to get this to turn all black is going to be pretty impressive, I would think. There it is, and that's the steam penetration that we get in a Safe-Decon container. Now, what this proves is that even with the Bowie-Dick inside an airtight container, you can now achieve the heat and steam penetration on the Bowie-Dick inside of it. And as most of you know, that is a difficult achievement just by getting your autoclave to do it by itself. But to have it in an airtight container, not a bad result there. But it does prove that with these, even though that they are airtight, we are able to get steam penetration into the contents. That is impressive, folks. As you can see, there isn't even any remotely little spots on there.